Hi guys, Danielle here with SqueezMeSkinny, and today I'm going to show you how to measure for your perfect fitted waist trainer. Now there's two areas of the body that you want to measure. First is going to be your torso length, and the second area is going to be the smallest part of our waist, just above our belly button. So for the torso length, this is going to be the torso size that we're going to go for. And on SqueezMeSkinny, you'll see that we have 8, 10, and 12-inch torso lengths. Torso length is all a matter of preference. However, to know if you're going to fit in the correct one, you want to measure. So you're going to start with your trusty handy dandy measuring tape and just about an inch underneath your bust. And we're going to go all the way down to just above our bikini line. Now on me, I do have a longer torso, so I'm measuring about 12 inches. And I'm going to show you what that 12-inch waist trainer looks on me in just a second. The second place we're going to measure is the smallest part of the belly button. So we're going to take that measuring tape with a relaxed fit and correlate those two numbers over to our size chart. So you'll notice that we have two separate size charts, one for short torsos and medium, and one that's for long torsos. So just make sure that you're looking at the right size chart according to your torso length. So how do you know that you ordered the correct size waist trainer? Well, from the minute that you put it on, it's going to instantly bring your waist down 2 to 4 inches. So with your measuring tape, what I want you to do is wrap that around and see exactly how many inches it brought you down. For me, I started at 26.5 inches. I'm now down to 24.5 inches. That's crazy. So visually seeing where you're going before you get there will help you stay motivated along your journey.